Welcome to TRADEREP. This is Shorthammer. It is the 29th of August 2019, and yes, we are looking at Amazon. Now, yesterday, Amazon dropped into the 1740s, and it caught a bid there. There's strong demand in the 1740s for Amazon. If we look at the last few weeks, every time Amazon is pushed down into the 1740s, it's bought right back up. Tagged the 1830s. Kind of played around, tried to get through the 1830s, could not, back down, 1740s, buy back up, can't get through the 1830s, back down, and we see all this consolidation here. And this is on our 4-hour chart of Amazon, tag, and this trend line that we're seeing right here is the top of the channel that extends back to 2015, and each time Amazon has tagged this, it's gone exploding or ripping to the upside, and a few times it's gone into the channel, but the buyers always step in. The expectation that I have, or that what I would like to happen, I'd say, is that Amazon sells off through the 1740s and flushes into this channel, and then buyers step in here and we rip to the upside over the next few months. But right now we're just seeing strong demand in the 1740s. So what we want to watch for is, if we remain above the 1756, do we have enough buying strength, buying momentum to get up here to the 1792, 1798. Above that is the 1805s. And can we get through these 1830s? As long as we're stuck between the 1740s and the 1830s, we're just stuck in this box, this channel, going back and forth. So we'll see. We're right now at the bottom of the range of where we've been the last 2 weeks or so. We want to see if the buyers are going to step in and push us back to the top of the range. And then can there be enough buying pressure to pop through the 1830s? So that's what I'm watching for on Amazon. Just what are the buyers going to do? Are they going to squeeze us to the upside? As of right now, the futures have popped over 2,900. That should bode well for Amazon. And the reason I tend to focus on Amazon so much is that so much of the market movement seems to mirror the movement of Amazon. When Amazon is down, the market tends to be down. When Amazon is up, the market tends to be up. And yes, there are a few other tickers, if you're looking at the S&P specifically, like Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, that do play a big role in the movement of the overall market. But Amazon does tend to have an outsized impact, whether it's psychological or just technical, on the movement of the overall market. Just like BA tends to have an effect on the overall market when it moves sometimes. It's really interesting. But Amazon, mainly, I'll stick to Amazon, has like some sort of a psychological effect on the market. So let's look at the 5-minute chart just to take a peek at the intraday movement on Amazon and get our pivot points for today or for Thursday. Now, this is our 5-minute chart on Amazon, and as we'll see, this is Tuesday. Look at this, right into the 1740s. Push this right back up, and this heads into Wednesday, 1740s. We pierced, buyers stepped in, pushed this back up, and they just couldn't get enough buying pressure to separate. So we're kind of hanging around the 1747 by 1762 supply demand zone, and what we would prefer is either to break and push through 1740s and get out of this channel, or to jam and give us some buying pressure and push us up into the 1830s area. So for tomorrow, the main intraday pivot is right here at 1758.61. We'll see where we open, but it would be great if we bought up above the 1775 and had a squeeze up into the 1792 and see if we can get into the 1800s. That'd be beautiful. But we'll see what happens. There's still a predicted expected move in the overall market of the SPX. It's still a huge expected move. So we have 2 days left. I believe the expected move for this week was 70 points, and we've moved a total of 40 points. So we have large room to the downside to move, and still a significant move to the upside. So we definitely want to keep an eye on the market Thursday and Friday. Yes, we're headed into Labor Day, but keep an eye on the market because we still may have a lot of movement. And I'm just looking at Amazon last few weeks just consolidating. We may have a nice move over the next 2 days between today and Friday. So keep an eye on your tickers and your positions. Might get a nice little holiday gift between today and tomorrow.